Good morning students, I am Mrs. Poonam Singh and I am going to take your GK class. Today's topic is Amer Fort. All of you know there are many historical monuments in India and we are going to study about those historical monuments of our country. Okay? And today's topic is Amer Fort. First of all, we will understand what is the meaning of fort, because we have studied about Agra Fort, Red Fort. What is the meaning of fort? Fort is a strong building that is used for military defense. In Red Fort, you will see it is surrounded by thick wall, which saves the person who is inside that. So this is the strong building that is used for military defense. Okay. Now see, this is the picture of the fort. There is a gate also, and all over, see, you will see the thick piling, thick wall, high wall, and this was earlier it was made for the safety. Now today we are going to study about Amer Fort. It is also called Amber Fort. Okay, and it is located in Amber. The name of the city is Amber and the state is Rajasthan. Amber is a town with an area of 4 square kilometers located 11 kilometers from Jaipur, means it is away from Jaipur. How much? 11 kilometers. The capital of Rajasthan, means Amer Fort is located in Rajasthan and it is 11 kilometers away from the Jaipur, which is the capital of Rajasthan. What is the capital of Rajasthan? Jaipur. And Jaipur is also called as the Pink City, my dear. Now see, this is the front view of Amer Fort. See, again you can see the carved things. See, so fine carving in these buildings, and for this only the people go there to watch these stone carving and large ramparts. See here, Amer originally was the capital of the state before Jaipur. It is an old fort built in 1592 by Raja Man Singh. This fort is also very popularly known as the Amer Palace. Amer Fort was built in red sandstone and marble, and the Mauta Lake adds a certain charm to the entire fort. And you know, Mauta Lake is the main source of water also for this Amer Fort or Amer Palace, whatever we can see. Now here are some question answers related to this Amer Fort. Okay, where is Amer Fort located? And we have earlier read in the previous slides that it is located in Rajasthan, Jaipur. The name means away from Jaipur, it is 11 kilometers in the city of Amber, but it is known as Jaipur only. What is special in fort? And it is known for its artistic style, because when you will see the fort, there is many artistic style, means carved pillars, carved walls. For that only the fort is very special and it is known, and the tourists visit it. The people from other countries come to visit this carving. What was the main source of water in Amer Fort? And the answer is Mauta Lake. In the place of what you will write? Mauta Lake. And you will copy the whole question. Was the main source of water in Amer Fort? Yes, Mauta Lake was the main source of water in Amer Fort. My dear, if you will pay attention and if you will go according to the questions, it will be very easier for you to write the answers. Okay? Now we are going to do some more work, and we are going to study about the functions of some body parts of our body, means some parts of our body. And first is stomach. And what is the function of stomach, my dear? Stomach helps to digest our food. Okay? This organ keeps the food we eat for 3 to 4 hours for digestion. And what is the function of this body organ, stomach? It digests our food. Whatever food we eat, it goes in our stomach, and then the digestion starts. Next is liver. And my dear, liver is the largest internal organ in our body, and the function of liver is also to digest some parts of the food. Some enzymes comes out from the liver which helps the food to digest, and it is also called the largest internal organ in our body. And you will I think you all have heard about kidney transplant, liver transplant, because these are the main body parts. Without these body parts, our body can't work properly. So when these body parts are failed, it is transplanted also. Skeleton. And what is the function of the skeleton? This is the base of our body, my dear. And this framework, it is a framework. This framework of bones protects our internal organs. This skeleton gives shape and support to our body, shape, size, support to our body. And this framework of bones protects our internal organs also. In science also you have studied about skeleton. What is skeleton? This is the bony framework of our body. And what is its work? It gives us shape and support, and also protects our internal organs. Because all the internal organs, whether it is brain or lungs, these are covered by the skeleton. Muscles. And what is the function of the muscles? It helps our body parts to move. Muscles are attached to bones and help us to move, sit, stand, any movement. Without muscles, the movement of our body is impossible. So muscles attached to the bones and helps us to move. Whether we sit, stand, walk, it supports to our bones. So now you have understood the functions of these body parts. Four body parts we have done today. Hope you all will do your work very nicely. Thank you, my dear, for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.